In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a person in a video with Magnific AI Mobile. Before we begin, make sure you have the video you want to edit available on your device and that you have the right to modify it. A stable internet connection will also help the process run smoothly. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone. Once you're in, head to the Work tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your project hub, where you can access your clips, templates, and results, so it's the easiest place to manage everything from start to finish. From your work area, select the video you want to edit. Tap Use to load it into the editor, then choose Recreate. Use brings your chosen clip into the workspace, and Recreate sets up a fresh AI pass using the current settings tied to that item. If you're working from a template or a previous setup that already includes a person swap, those settings will carry forward automatically when you recreate. Before you generate, take a moment to fine-tune what gets processed. You can trim the start and end frames to target only the part of the clip where the person appears. Trimming keeps the AI focused and can shorten processing time. You'll also see a prompt field. If the existing setup already defines how the replacement should look, you can clear the prompt to keep things simple. If those settings are already in place, leaving the context as is helps ensure consistent results. When you're ready, tap Generate to begin. Generation can take a while depending on clip length and server load. It's normal for this step to run in the background. While it processes, you can navigate back. When it's done, return to the Work tab to view the result. Play it through and check details like edges, lighting consistency, and motion through the whole trimmed range. If you want refinements, go back to Recreate from the same item, adjust your trims or context, and generate another pass. That's all there is to it. Clean, controlled replacements right from your phone.